Imagine earning money by downloading free apps to your phone. In this video, I show you how you can download free apps and make money by testing them. Apps are constantly looking for user feedback, and it's a great way to make a little bit of money from the comfort of your own home. Plus, many of the apps are games, so you can enjoy yourself while making some extra cash. But before we start, make sure to check the links below in the description to make $1,000 and more per day instantly. So, make sure you don't miss out on that. And make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Apps are everywhere, and it seems like every day there is a new one. But the only question is, do you have time to try all of them? Well, luckily for you, there are ways to make money by simply trying apps. Today I will show you free app called Make Money app. Make Money is the most popular reward app available on the Google Play and App Store. You can earn money by trying free apps, watching videos, completing offers, and taking online surveys from your phone. As you complete the tasks, you will accumulate credit rewards that you can redeem for cash via PayPal. Make Money is a legit app and receives lots of positive feedback from users who get paid without any issues. It's available worldwide and in different languages. You can download and install Make Money app for free, and it is available for iOS and Android devices. After the installation, you will earn 30 credits as a sign-up bonus. After installing Make Money app, you should complete the profile task. All you have to do is provide your name and your email in order to identify your account and receive your payments via PayPal. So, make sure you provide your correct PayPal email. Otherwise, you can miss the payment. The most common way of earning credits with Make Money app is to complete offers. The most popular offers involve downloading apps and playing games on your phone. Usually, all you have to do is download, install, and use the app for a few minutes. If it's a game, then normally, you should play it until you reach a specific level. Another popular way to collect more credits is by watching videos. All you have to do is tap on Watch Videos and wait until the end of the video, which usually lasts for 20 or 30 seconds. Also, you can earn by giving review, share Make Money app on Facebook, and invite your friends. Another easy way to earn credits is to check in daily. You will earn 20 free credits every day that you log into your account and tap on the check-in button. Make Money app is good for those who want to earn a little bit of extra income online. However, if you are looking to make more than $1,000 each and every day, make sure to check the links in the description below. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.